Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Halo Vape. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients, propylene glycol, often called PG, and vegetable glycerin, or VG. These form the base of your e-liquid. Next, select your preferred flavor concentrates. If you use nicotine, ensure it's safely handled. Accurate measurements are crucial for a balanced and satisfying vape. Safety is paramount when mixing your own vape juice. Always use high-quality, food-grade propylene glycol and vegetable glycerin. If you're including nicotine, wear gloves and eye protection to prevent skin contact. Nicotine can be dangerous in concentrated forms, so handle it with the utmost caution. Keep all your ingredients, especially nicotine, stored safely and out of reach of children and pets. Now for the mixing. Start by calculating your desired PG to VG ratio and nicotine strength. Many prefer a 70% VG and 30% PG blend for a smoother vape. Add your flavor concentrates next. This usually ranges from 5% to 20% of your total volume, depending on intensity. Finally, combine all ingredients in a clean bottle and shake well to ensure everything is fully blended. After mixing, steeping is key for optimal flavor development. Let your e-liquid sit in a cool, dark place for several days or even weeks, allowing the flavors to meld and mature. This process significantly improves the taste. Once steeped, your custom vape juice is ready to enjoy. Remember to store it properly to maintain quality. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.